wait. Who to connect, who in check. 187 shit, bitch, you know we up next. Like franchise, we keep it live like NBA Live used to. I'm that nigga you ain't used to. 2K coming for the whole nigga who knew I was the newest out. Well, I'm the freshest, feeling like I'm the bestest. I was destined, spitting verses like a reverend. But I ain't in church, but somebody holly hallelujah. Cause this nigga out here worship your girl on her knees for the worship. But know the slurp shit, talking real nigga shit, that's forever. 187, know that I be clever. Sever any lies, but niggas telling lies. I know you tried, but it's time to collide with the hip hop. Niggas flip flop, coming for your top like a Beyblade. Fuck with Day, you can get the fucking AK. We'll snap anytime, any line. Lost my mind, keep doing this shit over and over. Rolling the clover, blowing the doja. 187 stepping building, you know that it's over. Pop up just like an internet ad. Niggas talking shit, I am hip hop's dad. Fam, who can fuck with me? Luckily, these niggas ain't high enough. You fucking with the higher ups. I can still spit ill shit, and that's forever. Don't ever come at me, G, cause I'm the never clone. Spitting shit off the dome. They killing niggas, they torch the chrome. Pass the torch as I'm spitting scorch. Human torch, fantastic foe with your hoe. Got 4 of those. They in new clothes, new bags, nigga.
187 shit.
Yeah, Jonn. And this is for them fresh night rockers, gold chain rockers, smoking on hella ganjas out here evading them coppers. You know, these niggas poses, these ferocious, smoke the flowers like the loaders. You roll up to Gary Coleman, leg drop your man's word to Hollywood Hogan, then breeze off with your dame to do some wax dab smoking. Hit it twice, now she choking, say she trying to get intimate. I can't believe it, coming up they label be misfit, and now they see me out and they like, damn, he with this bitch, this shit is ridiculous. I rolled a blunt big as a Shaq finger, in the dark I linger, tripping off that shit I wouldn't suggest. Still Ric Flair, chop a goofy nigga to the chest, and jump in the flying saucer with his damsel in distress. Like, and that's legit all I had.
World heavyweight champion, so here he is, fans. There's the gold belt. Here's the man, Nature Boy Ric Flair.
You know what a feeling it is to be able to walk out here and captivate the female audience the way I do. I mean, the girls over here are hollering. It's not Slick Rick anymore, it's Tom Slick. It's Slick Rick. Hey, cool, what's going on? That's what they holler when I come to the airport. Now you gotta know, you gotta look at the total influence that Ric Flair has. Modern day sex symbol. Custom made from head to toe. And the world heavyweight wrestling champion.
She like my cut. She ain't used to this, but for tonight she a slut. She wanna be a freak. You know I had to tap the cheeks. After that we hit the sheets. After that my night complete. Then I hit some cheaper reefer talking with my nigga Chief. We tasted cigarillos. Shout out nigga Miller. Shout out to my nigga Quick. Traversing the Met on the conquest. You don't even understand. I just need the bands. Call me JStyles, the nigga with the plan, and yo, hoe she been.
This shit's so tight.
Somebody get this.
Give me this. Give me that.
Okay. I just do things. All I need is some rings. All I need is no bitch. All on my dick. I be creeping on the night, on the usually. I ain't have to ask. She let me grip the ass. You know what I'm doing. You know how I do it. And the flows, they so fluid. Fluently. WMG up on the usually. Call me JStyles. I ain't in the zoo, but the boy being wild. They put me on trial, murder. I'll fuck around and murder. It's that nigga that you heard of, 187 nigga. Catch me on the boulevard, cause this ain't no avenue. Told you that I ain't mad at you, but it's all cool. Cause we keep it trill. My niggas, we too